Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic and entertaining episode on Caught on DashCam. This time around we prepared something really special. Today's episode is dedicated to instant karma and when cops are on time moments. Make sure to sit back, press play and enjoy in this one. It's so nice to see a cop being at the right place and the right time, just like in this situation here. Speeding gets you only into trouble and this is proof of it. SUV cut the line right in front of the camera. This move occurs quite frequently, but this time around a police officer saw it and he pulled the lady over. Always think twice before making any rash decision in traffic, just like this driver here. He used the shoulder and it was something that he came to regret moments later. We have a crazy driver speeding on the highway, but things are not going as smooth as he wanted. An officer gave chase after he saw how recklessly this guy was driving.
Got him! Oh, that guy that took off and was trying to race me, he's now getting pulled over.
People please, put your phones away. One small moment of not paying attention is enough to cause a rear-end accident or something way worse. Never drink and drive. Those are the two worst combinations for a driver. Not only do you endanger your own life, but you put others at risk as well. Biker wanted to provoke the driver into racing him, but the driver kept his cool and didn't fall for his tricks.
Put your flash up your signal, your flash on.
Let's see if he's alright. You're alright,
okay?
man? Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
This crazy lady didn't want to give up until she managed to force her way in front of the camera. She eventually did cut in front, but it came with a heavy price. Check this out.
Obviously couldn't do it outside, so moved everything. A precious beer tent, jig, put up a system of just washing mats.
This is what happens when you pull out at the intersection way too much. Never do this, because karma might pay you a visit. With this clip we conclude another Caught on Dashcam episode. I hope you liked what you saw and learned something as well. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and hit that bell button to stay up to date with the latest content. Thank you for all your support and until the next one, drive safe and take care.